Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Steve. If this is the first time you watch my YouTube, welcome to my little family here. My YouTube channels cover three areas. We talk about beauty because I have over 27 years experience in cosmetics, and I recently launched my own skincare, Yibu Beauty. Check it out below the link. And I talk about traveling a lot. Plus, I love fashion and luxury item. I do a lot of Louis Vuitton unboxing, talk about different fashion pieces. So if it is something that you are interested to, please subscribe my YouTube channel, give me a like, and follow me and share my video. That means a lot to me. Okay, so today's videos, we are going to do a tutorial class on how to do a facial massage on yourself. Very simple. And let's see, how we're gonna do this is instead just do it, you are gonna do it with me. That's right, I'm gonna show you step by step how to lift, firm, and tighten your face. Sounds good? So now, there's two tools that you're going to need. Number one, you need a gua sha, this J tool right here. You can get this from Amazon. I'm gonna put a link below, you can get it. It's pretty affordable. And then you need your favorite moisturizer. That's it. So now, pause this video, go get this product. If you don't have this, I have a different way to teach you to do the massage without gua sha. So I'll be here waiting for you, so go get your stuff. Okay, so I see you have your item now, so let's do this together. It's very important before you do any kind of facial massage, you need to have a clean face. Then you want to put on your appropriate serum, and before you put the moisturizer, that's where you want to do the massage. There's one thing I don't want to let you know, that if you have a severe sensitive skin like rosacea, you get burned very easily from various product ingredients, then I do not recommend you do this type of massage for your face. The reason why is because any type of facial massage, it promotes blood circulations. So if you're already sensitive, that's gonna make your skin more sensitivity. So definitely don't do that, okay? Okay, so that's just, there's gonna be 5 different steps. So I'm gonna walk you through the 5 steps first, then we're gonna do this together, all right? Number one is you wanna begin with your chin area right here. So this is the number one. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna massage from this to the jawline. That's number one. Number two is your navifolia line and go towards your jawline. Number three, underneath the eye, towards to the temple. Number four, at the on the center of your middle of the eyebrow, you want to follow your eyebrow. And number 5, you just want to lift this part of your face. There's 5 different areas, and each area you want to massage 3 to 5 times. So if you are very sensitive, you can do it for 2 times. If you're not, you can do 2 or 5 times. That's how we want to do it. And before we do the actual massage, I want to let you know there's so many different types of design of a gua sha. Gua sha is actually a Chinese Chinese medicine tool to help blood circulation, release tension, release the toxin in the body. So that's what this is. And it's very similar to J roller, but this is a little bit more intense. You can deliver the result that you want than just rolling on the face a little bit. And anytime you use this, don't just, what you want to make sure to do is you want the tool to be flat on the skin, and as you massage, you do it like this way. See guys, you never want to point on the skin and just doing this way. That's what you don't want to do. Okay, so we talk about everything. So I'm gonna do it first, then I'm gonna tell you it's your turn, so you're gonna do it, okay? So this is gonna be a very different video. It's not like me talking, doing demo the whole time. You'll be doing it with me. So first thing first, what you need to do is you wanna place your favorite moisturizer or serum on your face. Of course, if you have any kind of facial oil, do it. That's your choice. But a lot of people don't have the tool. You can just use your moisturizer. Instead, massage it in. You want to pat in the moisturizer, because when you massage during this technique, you want to make sure that the gua sha can glide over the skin. So you want to just pat this on. If you massage all the way, then it's not going to create that smooth glide. So you can pat it like that. I'm gonna do half the face, and hopefully you can see it different too. Okay, are you ready with me? This is gonna be so fun. So go ahead, put on your favorite moisturizer on half your face first. I'll give you a couple sips. Again, waiting for you. Okay, so the first area we wanna contour your jawline, and a lot of people make the mistake, they just go ahead glide. You don't want to do that, because if you just glide without having a pressure point, you're gonna pull your whole entire face to a different direction, and sometimes that can cause it's not good for your skin. So what you need to do is you want to use one or two finger on the chin here, okay? Then you see the gua sha tool right here. You want to place this closer to your skin, the jawline, and then you just want to glide towards to the ear line, and then little wiggle. One time, two time. You can follow me now. Three time. And as you glide, you want to put a little pressure to it. And of course, if you're very sensitive, go lighter. If you're not, you can add a little pressure. It feels really good. I think this is the fourth time. And now we'll do a fifth time. So the gua sha first is flat on the skin, then you want to glide. So that will create that defined chin. How does that feel so far? Okay, now we're gonna do the second area now. It's the whole cheek area. So what you need to do, you want to put your finger right here at the navel folio line like this, just kind of place right by the nostril. Then what you want to do, you can find the biggest flat side here. So you want to place the gua sha flat on the skin. Can you see this? This is weird. Then you want to glide towards your temple. Wiggle a little bit. Two. Wiggle a little bit. Three. Wiggle a little bit. Now it's your turn. Place your finger right down by the nostril, then place the flat side on the skin right here, then just glide. 4, 5. The reason why you wriggle a little bit, how's that feel? It feels a little sore, right? That's good. That means you really help the blood circulation. It's really good. You can see my face already. This side's starting more lifted than this side. Go ahead, finish the 3 and 4 and 5. I'll wait for you. Okay, so now let's move on to underneath this eye area here. So what you need to do is you want to use the ring finger, just right on the tip of the eye here, kind of press this area. Then you want to use the smaller side of this, place this around here. You want to be extremely gentle for this. Just lightly glide to temple, wiggle a little bit. Ah, that feels so good. I like to look up when I do this. It's your turn, so use your ring finger underneath the eye right here, and use my glide. Once again, the reason why we're pointing the skin is you want to make sure that you're not pulling any other muscle on the face than this area. Little wiggle right here like that, it's help the pressure point release the stress and tension. Go ahead, finish this. How does that feel? Now we're moving up to the eyebrow now. So again, use your ring finger or middle finger. I like to use middle finger, it's a little bit easier. Just right on the eyebrow right here. Then use this little part right here. See this? I'm gonna just lightly glide, follow the eyebrow, When I get to the temple, move up a little bit and just, oh my goodness, that feels so good. Follow the eyebrow, little pressure, but not too much. When I get to the end, lift it up to temple. Wiggle a little bit. Now do it with me. Use your finger, press right here. Put your eyebrow in between the gap. Oops. Make sure the gua sha is kind of flat to the skin. Then you glide, gently glide to the temple. Lift it a little bit, wiggle a little bit. As you're doing this, don't forget to breathe in. I like to breathe in as I glide. When I press, I like to release. Go, breathe in. Oh my god, I think you guys are really gonna like this feeling, right? It feels really amazing. Now we're gonna finish this on the forehead. So what you need to do is use your finger, just right underneath the eyebrow a little bit, lightly press. Don't pull or push, just press right here on the eyebrow. Then use the flat part of this. You see this? Flat, then just go up. Massage a little bit. Go up. How's that feel? It's your turn. Put your finger underneath the eyebrow. Glide. Massage. Glide. Massage. Did you feel a little soreness on the this area? Oh my god, that feels so good. So it really took away the stress. Sometimes release the headache a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to show you my face. I don't know, can you see the difference? So this is the side we did the gua sha. 5 area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see my face is lifted a little bit more. Okay, now I want to show you what if you don't have a gua sha at home, how can you achieve the same way? Well, maybe not exactly the same, but you can do it very, very similar. Now we're going to use the other side of my face to give a try. Again, you want to get a generous amount, probably 2 pores. I want to pat it on skin. Remember, don't massage. So still the same 5 area, but this time we're going to use our finger instead of using gua sha. So I'm going to show you right now. So first I'm going to put this right here. Hold my skin. Okay, don't laugh. Okay, so I want you to do this with me. Do this. Yay! Right, very Asian. So then once you two finger up like that, you put your finger down like this. So you create a little hook right here. Then you want to turn your palm out. See that? If you have a problem, you can do it this way, that your angle, then do it this way, that's fine. But this is a better way. Then same thing in the jawline, just glide. Wiggle a little bit. Glide. Wiggle a little bit. Glide. Now it's your turn. First, do this. 2, finger down, palm out. Follow this, wiggle a little bit. Give a little pressure, it's okay, it feels really good. Okay, now we're gonna follow the next step. So you want to put the finger right here, 3 finger or 2, 3 finger. Then what you want to do is you just want to use your 2 finger right here, just pull up and press. You see how much pressure I put in there? And press. Now we're gonna put a finger right underneath here. Then use your ring finger, just glide towards the temple. Sorry. So sorry, wrong finger. So rude, Steve. Put a finger right there. See, again, the reason why you have a finger at the center is you're really just holding the skin, so you really work on the muscle at the area you want it to be working. Be gentle like that. Ah, that feels so good, right? Then I want to just hold my eyebrow with 2 fingers. So again, remember this thing, 2 fingers, yay! Number 2, finger down, palm out. put your eyebrow in between your finger, and you have this right here, and then you just glide. And then when you towards the end, pull up, pull up. I know a lot of people say, oh, I can't do my finger like that. So what you can also do is just hold it like, see this one, right? Put down, and just use this part of the finger. You see this? Just glide. You basically want something more firmer, just like that. Okay, and then up forehead here, put your finger underneath the eyebrow, and you can just glide up, glide up, glide up. I do gotta tell you this though. If you use the gua sha or tool, it actually do a little bit better than your hand. But if you don't have it, you okay to do it this. Okay, so now I want to show you how to complete your whole face. Of course, with my own product from Yibu Beauty. I'm so proud to show you this. It is my baby. So emotional to talk about this still. Mooncast multitasking tinted moisturizer. So there's two colors right here, light to medium and medium to dark. I know you're thinking, but my skin's darker, this is not gonna work. Well, that's the magic coming here. Our Mooncast can match the lightest skin to the darkest skin. The trick is because we put more skincare ingredient in here than pigment. And when you apply this on the skin, you can see it. You will see like a moisturizer rather than makeup. But also give you a light sheer coverage. Multitasking tinted moisturizer, it's oil free, vegan, also no animal cruelty free. Very important about that. So all you really need just one pump like this. I'm using light to medium. So you want to pat it here. So watch me, okay? So I'm going to put this right here, just slightly massaging to the skin. As you massage, you will see the pigment starting to break it apart. It's more look like a moisturizer. Remember we did all the massage, right? So you want to really make sure you massage upward. So you continually firm the skin. Okay. Forehead, massage upward. Because there's no SPF, I strongly recommend you use SPF before you use Mooncast. So who can use Mooncast? Anyone and everyone, especially when you say, today is the day I don't want to wear makeup. Then put a Mooncast on. It just provides you hydration, and the two skincare ingredient we're using is hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. So it's very hydrating, plumbing, and plump the skin, also very nourishing the skin. Just do that a little bit. Alright, so today's video, we're done. I just want to show you easy 5 massage technique on your face. Use gua sha or use your finger. I really hope that you found this video helpful and you learned something. And any feedback, comment, leave it below. It means a lot to me. I'd love to hear from you. At the end, I want to say thank you so much for watching my video and subscribe my YouTube channel and support me. That means a lot to me. Now, go check out Yibu Beauty. Talk to you and see you tomorrow. Wait, I'll see you next week. Bye.